Hey guys, it's Gwen. So today I'll be making an After Effect like text effect. So without any further ado, just create your project and import your clips. Okay, so here I've import my clips. I'm using one of the pictures I have on my gallery. Okay, so now you have to add a text. Here I'm using example as the example. Okay, now I'm adding the fonts. Choose whatever you like, but here I'm using the fonts I've downloaded from Google. Okay, so here I finished editing my text, so now I'm gonna put it where I want it to be, and now I'm gonna duplicate the layer and change the second layer into your next word. As you see, I'm writing example, so after E I'm gonna write X. Put it beside your first word and do the same thing until it makes a sentence you want to be. Now add an effect, go to color and light and add long shadows. Set the size into 5 and set the opacity into 100%. Now copy the effect and paste it to each letters on your project. Okay, so after you set and add the effect, you need to go to Move and Transform and press the third button. There you will add keyframes to make your text big and small. For the first keyframe, make it to the original size, and on the second keyframe, make it smaller or make it small as you like. Here you have to copy my graph. Okay, so as you see, we're almost ready, but we're not ready yet. So now go to Move and Transform and go to the second button. Now we're gonna add keyframes for the second time, so add your first keyframe, and on the second keyframe make it positive 30, and on the second word make it minus 30, and do the same thing to your other word until your sentence is done. And don't forget to copy my graph. Okay, so our project is halfway done, and now we're gonna do the last part. So go to the text and go to Move and Transform, press the first button and add keyframes for the third time. Okay, for the first keyframe, make it in the original place, and on the second keyframe, make it like going away from its theme. So do it like that, and don't forget to copy my graph. opacity blending on the end of our sentence. So go to blending and opacity and add keyframes for the last time. Okay, so for the first keyframe, make it 100%, and for the second keyframe, make it 0, and don't add graphs. Okay, now finally our project is ready. Thanks for watching. I hope you have a great day, and please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and God bless you.